Audio Jungle.
Hello students, RK Knowledge welcomes you. So ninth Mat 2 Maharashtra Board textbooks. It's your chapter 8, exercise 8.2. Trigonometry. Question number second. First, 5 sin 30 plus 3 tan 45 is equal to 5 into half plus 3 into 1. The value of sin 30 is half and tan 45 is 1. That's equal to 5 upon 2 plus 3 1 is 3 is equal to 5 plus 6 upon 2. 5 plus 6 is 11, therefore is equal to 11 upon 2. The second question is 4 upon 5 tan square 60 degree plus 3 sin square 60 degree. In first line we write the question as it is. So our solution is 4 upon 5 tan square 60 degree plus 3 sin square 60 degree is equal to 4 upon 5. Value of tan 60 is root 3. Therefore root 3 square plus 3 into sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. Therefore root 3 upon 2 square is equal to 4 upon 5 into 3 plus 3. Root 3 square is 3 upon 2 square is 4. So 3 into 3 upon 4. 4 multiplied by 3 will give us 12. Similarly 3 3s are 9. So the next line will be 12 upon 5 plus 9 upon 4, which further give us 12 multiplied by 4. Cross multiplication we are doing here. So 12 multiplied by 4 plus similarly 5 multiplied by 9. So plus 5 multiplied by 9. The denominator will also get multiplies themselves. So it will give us 5 into 4. Now the multiplication. 12 4 is 48 plus 5 9 is 45 upon 5 4 is 20. 48 plus 45 is 93 upon 20. So question number second, third question is 2 sin 30 plus cos 0 degree plus 3 sin 90. The values are given. Now 2 into half is 1 plus 1 plus 3. Will further give us 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. Question number second, fourth question. Tan 60 upon sin 60 plus cos 60. So the solution here is the value of tan 60 is root 3. So at place of tan 60 we will write root 3. Sin 60, at place of sin 60 we will write root 3 upon 2 plus cos 60 is 1 upon 2. So the next line will be like this: root 3 by 2, root 3 upon root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. See, here denominator is common, so we can write it as is equal to root 3 upon root 3 plus 1 upon 2. Is equal to, now here 2 will get upside, so it can be written as root 3 into 2 upon root 3 plus 1, which will further give us 2 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. Question number second, fifth question. Cos square 45 degree plus sine square 30 degree. So cos 45, 1 upon root 2. So at place of cos 45, we have to write 1 upon root 2 plus sine 30 is 1 upon 2. So next line will be like this. Cos square 45 plus sine square 30 is equal to 1 upon root 2 square plus 1 upon 2 square. Which further give us 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2 plus 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4. So here again we will do cross multiply. 1 will get multiplied by 4. Similarly 2 will get multiplied by 1. And both denominator will get multiplied. So it's like 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1 upon 2 into 4. Which further gives 1 4 is 4. So 4 plus 2 1 2. So 4 plus 2 upon 2 4 8. That is 4 plus 2 upon 8. 4 plus 2 will give 6. So it can be written as 6 upon 8. 6 upon 8. The common is 2. Both are divisible by 2. So by cancelling, it will give us 3 upon 4. This is the last question of question number 2. Question number 2, 6. Cos 60 into cos 30 plus sin 60 into sin 30. The value we substituted. Multiplication we done. It gives root 3 upon 4 plus root 3 upon 4. Denominator we taken common. So root 3 and root 3 is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 upon 4. By cancelling by 2, it gives us root 3 by 2. Question number 3 of exercise 8.2. If sin theta is equal to 4 upon 5, then find cos theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, in place of sin theta, we are writing its value, which is 4 upon 5. The equation will be like 4 upon 5 square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25. So it is equal to 16 upon 25 plus cos square theta is 1. Sixteen upon 25 will go that side, and the line will be like cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 16 by 25. Cos square theta is equal to 25 minus 16 upon 25. Cos square theta equal to, the subtraction will give us 9. 25 minus 16 is 9 upon 25. Taking root of 9 is 3 and root of 25 is 5. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Question number 4. If cos theta equal to 15 upon 17, then find sin theta. This is last question of the exercise. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Again, we are using the same formula. Value of cos theta is given. So let's substitute cos theta as 15 upon 17, which gives us sin square theta plus 15 upon 17 equal to 1. Square of 15 is 225 and square of 17 is 289. So sin square theta plus 225 upon 289 is equal to 1. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus 225 upon 289. 225 upon 289 will get z side and becomes negative. Sin square theta equal to 289 minus 225 upon 289. Sine square theta is equal to 289 minus 225, that is 49 upon 289. So taking root, we will get as sine theta equal to root of 64 is 8, so 8, and root 289 is 17, 8 upon 70. Thank you.